You're most welcome to our free online school, SkillBridge Institute. We'll be discussing about risk analysis. Risk analysis simply means understanding the likelihood and the potential impact a risk might have on a project and trying to find the best way of managing that risk. The goal of it is to minimize the negative impact a risk might bring on a project. The main techniques for doing risk analysis, number one, it is known as qualitative. This one is subjective. That means you cannot use it on each and every project. It is fast and at the same time it is cheap. Quantitative. This one you use data. It is precise and you can use it on big projects. The qualitative risk analysis. So this one is based on the likelihood of risk occurring as well as the impact which it may have on a project. The methods, number one, you use risk probability as well as impact matrix. So this one, it is a table which tries to categorize the risk in terms of low risk, medium as well as high risks. From there, we use risk rating, which rates the likelihood and the impact of those risks to determine the priority which you can put on those different risks. From there, another method is known as risk categorization. So this one tries to categorize the technical risks, financial as well as the operational risks. The following are the examples. The strength of qualitative risk analysis, number one, it is quick and cheap. The disadvantages or the limitations, it is subjective. That means you cannot use it on each and every risk. At the same time, this one lacks data. Here is an example of risk matrix. So on risk matrix, we base on two things. Number one, the probability of risk occurring. Number two, the impact. So if we're talking of the probability, it starts from low up to high probability. So that one, it is rated from one. It is rated from number 1 up to 5. The same with impact is also rated from 1 up to 5. So that is what we need to understand. So what we do here is the following. From numbers 1 up to 3, those ones, they denote minor risks and they are given a blue color, or not blue but green color. They are given a green color. From 4 up to 9, they denote moderate and they are denoted by this yellow color. From 10 up to 19, those ones, they are denoted with this other color. Then from 20 up to 25, those are severe ones. They are given this red color. So to find these numbers, what we do is the following. You remember we said that the impacts are rated from 1, 2 up to 5. This one is also rated up from 1 up to 5. So what we do is, if you find that that risk is rare and at the same time has got low impact, the probability is rare and has got low impact, you say 1 times 1, the answer is 1. If you find that your risk has got high probable, or it is possible, it is possible, and at the same time the impact is high, so what you say is possible is number 3, so it will be 3 times high, which is number 4, so it's 3 times 4, the answer is 12. So because 12 is falling between 10 to 19, it will be painted this major color. So that is how we do it. Another last example, it is when you find that a certain risk has got high possibility of occurring, probability, and at the same time it has got high impact. So it is 5 times 5, and the answer is 25. So because 25 is falling between 20 to 25, it will be denoted this red color. So that is how we do it. From there, let's look at quantitative risk analysis. In quantitative risk analysis, you are using numerical data. So the methods are the following. Number 1, Monte Carlo simulation. Method number 2, it is decision tree analysis. On this one, you are trying to outline the risks and to calculate the cost as well as the benefit of it. From there, you try to look at expected monetary value, where you multiply the probability of risk occurrence with the monetary impact. The advantage of this one, it is very precise and you are able to use data, so you make good decisions. The disadvantage is that it uses a lot of resources and it is time consuming. Here is an example where there was mobile app development. So what was happening here is the following. Each risk was given an ID. Each and every risk was given an ID. Then each risk is described. From there, you describe the source to say whether that risk is internal or external. Then it is given probability from 0 to 1. An impact is also denoted. That is from 0 to 1. You are also given, you also assign the risk score from 0 to 1. Then, based on all these, you come up with a risk level to say whether this risk is medium, low, or high. So you are making the decision based on the data, which is here. When to use each technique? So qualitative is used on small projects and when you have got limited resources as well as time. This one, it is quick when you are doing it. Quantitative is used when you are using large as well as complex projects. It is also used when you want to, when there are significant potential risks which can harm a project. It is also used when you want to, when there are financial impacts, so you want to make those particular financial estimates. Let's talk about key formulas in risk analysis. Number 1, it is known as expected monetary value, which multiplies probability with the monetary impact. Number 2, sensitivity analysis. This one determines how changes in variables can have an impact on the outcome of a project. The differences between these particular two things: qualitative, it is subjective and it is fast. The quantitative, this one uses data, but it requires a lot of resources. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.